Hey everyone, here's something called the Same Top Jaws Flex Clamp Mount for GoPro cameras. Here's the clamp. Oh, that's pretty hard to squeeze. So, yeah, that is a very strong clamp, I would say. And here's this one. Okay, I got some parts here from the DB4000 collection. There's this interesting looking clamp piece that squeezes in there. And there's this little attachment here. And then you can either use this to hook in one of those waterproof casings. I don't have one available now. Or this, you can just unscrew and just attach a simple gimbal, which will help with sound. If you're trying to record sound, you don't want to use the plastic casing. There you have it, like so. The clamp, gimbal, camera support attachment by Same Top. Look at the strength of that thing. That'll take a finger off. So, that's my review. Thanks for watching.